Alright, good afternoon mga ka-ISEMs and welcome to the second week of our Ilonggo Basketball League. This is Migo Nins with
Kuis Bing here. And makikita natin ang laban ng Coca-Cola versus LGU Pavia in this week 2 of the Ilonggo Basketball Season 1, no? Migo Nins, what should we expect ba sa game na to, Migo Nins?
this is going to be a very good game, Kuis Bing, no? Coca-Cola coming off from a win on their first game in LGU Pavia. Kinanglan nila magbawi subong kay naperde sila sa first game nila.
Oo, tama yan, no? And their first game for Coke, daog sila sa Bancon and Pavia na perde sa Price Gas. But there's a three from Miklat in this early part of the first quarter. Ino Miklat with the 3 points sa mga ka-ISEMs. And ito nga si Kaisyo, binigay kay Dabul sa ilalim, binangga ang katawan ni Dabul with the 2 points. Grabe talagang magamit sang lawas sa katawan si Dabul, no?
Grabe nga tira to. Stephen Curry range to, Kuis Bing. Galing kay short.
Oo, kay Miklat, no? Trying to get the 3
Back to
points
back
in the
three.
range. I think this is his first game, Migo Nins, no?
Mm.
Wala siya kampang sa nagliga,
Sa
hindi siya
first game
nakalaro.
nila.
Oo. And score is 2-3 in favor of Coke. Kaisyo, number 18, tumira ng tres, wala. Number 18, binigay kay Kiatchon. Kiatchon, binababa ang bola, binigay kay Miklat. Miklat, setting the play, binigay kay Aaron sa ilalim. What a pass there! A reverse shot by Aaron
That's
from the pass from Miklat.
so that's a fast start na naman for Coca-Cola, Kuis Bing.
Agree, no? Fast start. And here's Pavia, passes to Kaisyo, passes to Halianes, tumira ng tres. And there's a three for Halianes. 3 points.
And nabawi man da yun. So we're tied at 5 in the early stages of the game, Kuis Bing.
And the traveling violation kay galing kay Tarosa, tinawag ng referee. And Escaniel, binigay kay Kaisyo. Number 18, naghanap ng mapapasahan, binigay kay Halianes. Halianes, titikada sana ng tres, pero binalik kay Kaisyo sa gitna. Binigay sa ilalim kay number 5. And good defense by Aaron, pero nakuha ulit ng number 18 yung bola. Halianes, tumira ng jump shot sa gitna. And bang, what a shot.
Nagratol lang pasulod, no? Naigo lang. Shooter's bounce, Kuis Bing.
Oh,
Shooter's
shooter's bounce.
bounce.
Oh, maganda yung follow through niya doon. And dahil sa bagong gupit ata yun,
Pwede man, ah.
Miklat bumangga kay Dabul sa ilalim but there's a foul. A moving foul from number 16, Abby Escaniel. Ino Miklat gives to Taros at Kiatchon. Kiatchon tumira ng tres. Wala. Nakuha ulit ni Kiatchon. Tinapik kay Miklat. And Ino, Miklat passes to Kiatchon again sa gilid. Kiatchon, what a fake! And
Up
what a
and
double
under!
clutch! What a double
move!
clutch by Kiatchon! And binaby sa ere, nagkape at nagsaing. What a shot from number 3, Kiatchon of Coca-Cola. Halianes in the 3 points. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Binigay kay Kiatchon. Coke on a fast break. Passes to Quezon sana pero na-interrupt ang pasa. Escaniel, binigay kay Halianes. Halianes with a drive, dire-diretso.
Up and
Back
under
shot.
as well yun, Kuis
Oo,
Bing.
up and under by Halianes at number 15. And what a hustle by number 18, Kaisyo from LGU Pavia. And score is 10-7 in favor of LGU Pavia. 6 minutes, 43 seconds remaining. Number 7, binangga, pero walang tawag ng foul. And
Out of bounds.
out of
for Coke.
bounds,
So,
LGU Pavia's ball.
Wide open, no? Oh.
Number 5, tumira, bank shot, wala. Rebound by Aaron. Ito ngayon ang Coke bumababa, fast break. 3 on 4. Miklat with the display of dribbling, spins
Boy, it takes
between two towers. And number 77 and 3
3 seconds.
seconds violation. ang tinawag ng referee.
Abi ko diretso na ni Miklat ko
Oo,
isbing no.
abi ko man diretsohon niya gid bro.
Kontrahon niyang bilog nga pabiya.
Pero he was stopped there by the two towers of LGU Pavia. And dito nga sa ball game na to, number 18 binababa ang bola. Playing point for LGU Pavia, Amigo Nins.
Mm.
And binigay kay Halianes tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 11, Escaniel with a scoop shot. Wala. Top by Mino Miklat. Here comes Coke with a fast break. 4-on-2 situation. What a
Ooh.
pass pero interrupted by number 18.
Weak pass yun,
4 on
boys.
1 to number 15. Pasok ang shot na yon and Pavia continues to rally their pass break here, no?
Mm.
And another 3-point attempt by Miglat, wala. Number 18. Binigay kay Halianes. Shot, wala. Agawan sa rebound, nakuha ni number 77. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12 in a fast break. Binigay kay Lensig. Lensig. Binigay ulit kay number 12. Muntik na siya mag-out of bounds doon.
Mm.
And Lensig.
Lensing was our best player for Coca-Cola on their first game.
Oo, he was the best player with 24 points. I believe, and there's an
And
end
that's
one.
an end one right there.
And Aaron will go to the free throw line. And number 15, Halianes was fouled. Was called for the foul.
So, take one.
And one shot lang,
Ah.
and rebound by number 16, the bull of LGU Pabia. Barrido passes to Halianes. Halianes to Escaniel sa gitna. Bex,
Nice.
what a shot. Nice pass there by
Simple basketball lang, Koy.
yes, simple basketball. And ang ganda ng passing ng Pavio dito sa first quarter na to, no?
Mm.
And they're seeing all the open men, kumbaga. And what a battle for rebound and a block shot by number 16, but there's a foul na tinawag ng referee do sa possession na yon. Foul by number 11. Foul from the back. Ang tawag ng referee.
So, second and third attempt for the free throw line for for Coke.
Oh, this is their second and third attempt. This is the third attempt for Coke in the free throw line. Wala. So mukhang malas ang Coke ngayon sa free throw.
Mm.
Number 11, Escaniel crosses, passes to number 16 sa ilalim, and there's a foul
That's
from
a
the
foul
back.
from the back, yes.
And that's a power play there sa ilalim
Malam
ng...
mo, Koy, Bing, maskin bull ka, makabatsag ka man niya Japon, sakit yan.
Oo, siyempre. In the first free throw, wala.
So it looks like both teams are last eye ng
Struggling,
mga
no?
free throw.
Oo, struggling in the free throw. And
Oh,
wala pa rin yung
Guaman.
pangalawang free throw na yon. And agawan sa bola, the bull, and natapik ng Pavia outside. So, Coca-Cola ball.
So far, ang na-notice ko di ko is Bing, no, si Coke, do wala gid ka run and gun.
Oo,
Compared to sa first game nila sa Bancon, tong grabe ito ila pag-start.
agree, no? Wala pa sila siling fast break gid
Oo.
nga breakaway, no?
Nga daw
Puro
wala
sila set.
kabutsog gid, oh.
Oo. Trabuco with what a pass there, pero natapik ang bola, pero nakuha uli na Barrido. Trabuco underneath, bumangga kay number 42.
Ara na.
And here's a pass break for Coca-Cola, and Miklat goes all the way from
Easy.
Lensig. And a timeout. Timeout for LGU Pavia, and let's see, mukhang maganda na ang laban ngayon, and both teams are running for fast break na, and we'll be back after this in this first quarter. Ano na patay? May
Fiber X, 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 Fiber X.
And kami po ay nagbalik. And we're back in this first quarter. Again, lamang pa rin ang LGU 14-11. 3 minutes 39 seconds remaining.
Number 22 wide
Barido
open.
tumira
No?
ng tres.
Nice.
Ooh,
All
what a
net.
shot! 3 points by Barido. And that adds to the lead of Pabia. 17-11. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Miklat with that Stephen Curry range. Wala pa rin. Pero mukhang may tinawag na foul sa
Over the
number
back foul.
42. Oo,
Over the
behind the
back.
back foul. Number 18 sa ilalim.
A good set for LGU Pabia so far, Kois.
Oh, it's a good set for LGU Fabia. And makikita naman talaga yung ano nila, no? Yung dito lumalabas na yung kanilang matagal na pagsasama sa paglalaro, no? Yung gel nila na tinatawag sa team nila.
Feeling ko
Tarosa,
since they're
stutters, spins, pinasa kay number 3. Number 3 sa ilalim, back, pasok.
21-11 na, so it's a 10-point
Oh,
lead
it's a
now.
10-point lead now for Pavia, LGU. Miklat to Lensig. Lensig, nabitawan ng bola and it's a fast break
Ooh, what a
behind the back,
Oh,
but it's a
traveling.
travel.
Wala lang makontrol, Kois.
Oh, wala lang makontrol pero good attempt. Good attempt for Pavia in that fast break situation. And there's another timeout for Coke. And we want to thank you pala our viewers as early as today. 10 million viewers all around the world. We have or 12 million viewers all around the world. Thank you so much, Sarah Ligaspi from Texas. And we would like to thank also John Christian Gayeta for the shout out. Yuki K.E. Tarosa. Salamat po for watching.
Mhm. And for those that gusto makatanaw sang live, mga ka-iSems, no, ari kami liwat sa Pabia Gym, sa multipurpose gym nila. So we have 4 games today. So this is what you're seeing is our first game, Pabia versus Coca-Cola. And then later on at 2:30 we have Bancon versus Carlon. And then at 4 o'clock, Price Gas versus Toyota. And then our last game for today is Legion versus Iloilo Mission Hospital.
Pero mukhang magaganda yung mga laban ngayon. Mukhang bout lahat. And there's a
Oh,
foul.
and that's an
An
end
end one
one.
for number 42. A foul coming from
So, so
number
very
22.
effective, no, a very effective set after the
Oo.
timeout.
Pero wala pa rin. Struggle pa rin sila sa free throw.
Yes.
Ang both teams, no? Tarosa pushing the ball down the court. Pero na-steal sa likod. And agawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Linsig ang bola. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12 to Ino Miklat. Miklat pushes for the pass break. Guarded by 2. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Tarosa. Tarosa for LGU Pavia. Spins. Goes straight.
Ooh,
Binigay kay
nice
number 3.
pass.
Nice pass. And what a dime there by number 4.
Nice drop pass. Right
Oh, nice
there.
drop pass yun. Number 12, binigay kay Lensig. Lensig, dumidiskarte. Binigay kay number 12 sa 3 points. Number 12 drives, binigay kay Aaron sa ilalim. And what a pass, pero wala pa rin po. Hindi pumasok. Number 22, Barido.
Uy, sayang ang
Passes
ano.
to
3 on
Gumapal.
2.
Gumapal, it's a 4-on-1 situation. Number 3 to number 18.
Uy, nabuyan ka.
Natapik. Tarosa takes the shot. And bang, bang. That's 2 points for LGU Pavia. 1:17 remaining, 25-13 lamang po ang Pavia sa game na to, first quarter. And natapik na naman ng Pavia. And here's Pavia for the pass break. Barido, dinere-diretso. Pero maganda yung depensa doon ni Lensig ng Coca-Cola. Binigay kay Aaron. Aaron, back pass to, behind the pass to Miklat sa 3 points. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. And here's a pass break. Barido, mag-iintay. Binigay kay number 18. Number 18 drives and basket for LGU Pavia.
14-point lead.
14-point lead. for Pavia. 42 minutes, 42 seconds remaining. And mukhang pinilit yung tira na yun doon, no?
Kanina pa pumipilit si Miklat actually, guys. I think that's the reason as well na hindi makatakbo yung Coca-Cola
I
kasi
agree.
nagsistick yung bola sa kanya eh.
Oh, agree. Ang bola hindi umiikot, no?
Mm.
For Coke. Pero let's see. Trabuco, number 4, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10, gumapal to number 14. Number 14 to number 4. Fakes, drives, passes
Oh,
to number
nice pass
18. What a
again right
pass!
there pero
And
sayang
pero hindi
lang.
pa rin pumasok. Number 18 again, rebound pero hindi pa rin. Number 4, drives in the baseline pero
And that's a
traveling.
traveling.
Traveling yun, Migolins, no? Nauna yung step to kaysa dun sa dribble. Number 14, Tarosa, drives and
Nice move with the left hand.
what a left hand shot there, left hand layup by number 14. Number 18, 3 seconds
To beat
left
the
to Mira.
buzzer.
Wala.
Wala.
And rebound ng Coke and that's it for our first quarter. 28-15 ang score. And lamang po ang LGU Fabia against Coca-Cola in this first quarter. Pero let's see, baka makabawi pang malayo pa tong game na to hanggang fourth
Mm.
quarter pa tayo, no, Migo Nins?
Yes. So for
And
the meantime, we'll just take a quick break,
oo,
mga ka-Isons, and we'll be right back with the second quarter.
we'll be back. Stay tuned, mga ka-ISMs.
And welcome back, mga ka-Isons. Now we're about to start our second quarter. So once again, we're in the Pavia gym. So there, what you're seeing right now is the crowd watching here live. So again, kung gusto nyo magtanaw live ka to lang mo sa Pavia Gym, mga
And
ka-Isons.
libre, no? Libre,
Libre, yes,
libre ang pumunta rito and manood, no?
that's the most important thing.
Or,
Libre na, naka-enjoy ka pa sa games.
correct. And number 30, binigay kay number 11 sa gitna. Pasok ang mid-shot. Mid-range shot from number 11, Escaniel. Number 28, Secondes. Secondes, bagong gupit din. Binigay kay binigay kay number 13. Number 13 ba yun? Number 23. And here's a fast break for Pavia pero sobra yung
Sobra
pasa na
yung
yun ni number
pasa.
13. Tarosa, dribbling. Binigay kay number 23. Banalik kay Tarosa. Tarosa drives pero short pass to number 77, Apistar. Pero natapik ang bola ng LGU but balik sa Cook ang possession. Number 23, binigay kay Aaron sa gilid and jump shot, pasok and shooter's bounce. Or in
Finally,
and
no,
out.
naka-score liwat si Coca-Cola,
Oo.
boys. Medyo dugay-dugay man before sila naka-score liwat.
Correct and kailangan ma-sustain nila yan para makahabol sila sa game na to, no? And Escaniel nabitawan ng bola and back sa Pavia ang possession.
7 seconds
Escaniel
on the
binigay
shot
sa
clock.
inbound sa ilalim to number 14 pero na-interrupt ng Coca-Cola Secondes. Binigay kay
Nice
Aaron.
pass
Nice
over
pass.
there.
Naganda ng pasa na yon for the pass break for
Yes.
Aaron. Number 18 of Coca-Cola. And score now is 19-29. 10-point lead for Pavia. With 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Medyo matagal pa. Escaniel with a jump shot. Number 23, nakuha ang rebound. Binigay kay Tarosa. Tarosa pushing it down the court to Secondes. To Tarosa sa 3 points. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13 pushes the fast break for Pavia. Binigay kay number 11, Escaniel. Drives. Bank shot. Pasok ang tira. And,
Number 14 there tries to take the charge, no? Pero
oo.
no call. That's a good effort.
And,
Oh, we picked
ang
up
ganda nung pick up
there by
nun. Ang
number
ganda nung
11
hustle
for
nung number
Coke.
77, no?
77, oh.
Nakita niya pa yun, no? Number 13, binigay kay number 30 sa gitna. Binalik kay 11 sa gilid. Escaniel. Binigay kay number 14. Tumira ng 3. Wala.
Short.
Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Binigay kay Tarosa. Waiting for his teammates. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23 to number 77. Drives. Wala pa rin. Apistar
Offensive
again.
rebound. No
Wala pa
good.
rin.
Sayang, Kois.
Sayang, no? Sayang yung effort. Nakakapagod kaya yon yung ganon?
No, syempre naman, Kois.
Yung pagtira mo hindi pumasok tapos
Na
tumalong ka ulit?
nakakapagod nga ang tumambay eh.
Oo nga naman. May point ka naman doon.
Pagtam nakakapagod rin tumambay eh. Nakakapagod rin mag-isip kung ano yung gagawin mo.
Tarosa to Aaron, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, a long pass to number 30. Drives it all the way.
Left-handed
Left-handed
finish.
layup.
Or baka left-handed man siya, Kois.
Baka. Oo. Kasi parang kaliwa yung paa niya eh. Ay, hindi naman.
Pareho kaliwa. And it's a turnover there for Coca-Cola. And Miklat comes back.
For Coke,
Mm.
And the Bull comes back for Pavia. And number 18, Kaisyo. Kaisyo nga
In
ba?
this quarter, we'll see kung si Miklat giman ang issue sa lineup nila, no?
Ah.
Eh, naglayan gid ang pacing eh, but we'll see.
Naglain ng pacing eh sa second quarter, no?
Mm.
What a long rebound. Number 28, Secondes. Pushes for the fast break.
3 on 2, oh.
Back
Nice.
behind the back to
Ooh.
Miklat and an extra pass to number 15.
Good job. So,
So it's
Coca-Cola now, no, has scored 10 points already.
that's miscommunication there between number 18 and the Bull of Pavia. Oh!
Ay, nabuyan pa, kasayang. And there, Miklat again, oh. Drops it off.
Drops it to
Ooh.
number 15 pero sapal. Miklat to number 15 to number 14. Tarosa drives, one-hander, bang, basket,
Left-handed.
left-handed shot.
So don't look now, boys. Coke is making a run.
10-point lead na lang po ang kalamangan ng Pavia dito sa second quarter. Escaniel in the post. Naghahanap ng mapasahan pero may foul na tinawag.
Foul.
A nice pass
Nice
from
pass inside, no?
utol to utol. Escaniel to Escaniel. What a shot there and what a pass. Yun yung sinasabi na walang usap-usap.
Oh!
I stand corrected pero mag ano pala
Mag-chewing.
mag-chewin.
Mag-chewin.
Mag-chewin. Mag-uncle. So the uncle and the nephew tandem between number 11 and number 16.
Our number 28 here will shoot 3 free throws. He makes the first one. The foul there, course, was the landing spot for a shooter, no?
Ah,
So, dapat gaan, with the rules now, dapat gaano sang landing spot ang katira. He makes 2 out of 3. So, we're about 5 minutes left in the
number
second.
18. Number 18. Binigay kay number 15. Halyanes tumira ng tres. Bang!
Ooh!
And another 3 for Halyanes. And now it's 10-point lead. Oh, sorry. 13-point lead again for Pavia and Tarosa.
Grabe kasi napatay.
Kak Kakastini.
Oh no. Ito saksakin kasi sa
Si
lapay.
Gapri.
Ah, nabuting na.
Maandar ba?
Hmm. Dugay magwa ba?
Dugay ba?
Ano? Ano? Sa lapay yung modem.
Dugay-dugay sang 5G magwao. Ano na pre? No internet man eh. Ara na connected na? Ara na?
Alright. Mga kaisans, we do apologize for the technical issue, no? Medyo nagano nga mo nga modem, but I think we're back online. So again, sorry good. So it is now 47:33 with 2:31 left in the second quarter.
14-point lead, no?
14-point lead,
Migonins.
yes.
And Aaron with that jump shot again, wala. Rebound again by number 18. Number 18, 3-on-1 fast break to Halyanes. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Number 11, mukhang tinamaan doon pero hindi naman po sinasadya. Aaron, ang ganda ng tapik ng Tita Rosa doon, ani Trabuco for that defense. Coke will inbound the ball. Miklat passes to number 42. Number 42, Binigay kay number 55, Miklat. Tumira ng tres, wala. Number 4, rebound for Pavia Halianes. Halianes passes to number 18 sa pass break. Fakes, dribbles, naghihintay na mapapasahan. Binigay kay number 16, dumire derecho, the bull. The bull with that layup.
Medyo, yung foul, medyo mahina, boys. That's why
Oo,
was able to continue.
he was able to power it up, no? Kumbaga.
Yes. Nakamute ako, no?
And mahina yung foul na doon, Migo Nils, kaya nabuhat pa, no?
Yes.
Nabuhat pa, and that's why it was an end one. And eto ngayon, Trabuco, binigay kay number 20, 22, Barido. Binalik kay Halianes, tumira ng tres with a hand in its face, pero wala. Pass break now for Coke Aaron with a pass break. Pasok!
And that's the run and gun style ng Coke, no? That we're seeing, that we saw in the first game that they had.
Oo, tama. Yun yung run and gun nga. Tama yung sinabi mo, no? A run and gun game by Coca-Cola na nakita natin ng first quarter. And may foul do sa possession na yon, and number 18 will go to the free throw line.
He missed the first free throw. He makes the second. So mga ka-Isons, if you're watching sa Facebook, feel free to comment below kung gusto niyo magpa-shoutout. Shoutout ka muna, Bon.
Pabale with that 3, wala. Rebound by number 42. A strong rebound doon sa number 42, no? And what a good putback. Number 22 with 40 seconds left to number 10, Gumapal. Binigay kay number 22, Barido. To number 15 again, Halianes with a 3.
Nice.
Bang! Another 3 for Halianes. Nakakatatlo na tong mamang to sa 3 points. And mukhang dito lumalabas yung laro ni Halianes, no, compared mo sa first game nila, Amigo
Mm.
Nins.
Oh, traveling yun. Yes. So Coca-Cola is playing a little bit out of sort in this game. Kois.
Oo,
They're being
tama.
dominated by LGU Pabia.
Oo, and that's because of I think their
Their
offense, no? Isang factor 'yun. Isang factor na dapat ma-overcome nila ditong darating na third quarter.
and
2 seconds
Miklat
remaining,
forces
tumira
it
ng
to beat
tres.
the buzzer.
Wala.
Short lang.
And that's it for the second quarter and halftime. Let's proceed to halftime and 55-40. 15-point lead by Pavia, LGU Pavia dito sa game na to. And we'll be back mga ka-ISEMs.
welcome back mga ka-items to our third quarter between LGU Pavia and Coca-Cola.
Oh, welcome
So
back
once again, this is
and
Migunins.
this is Kois Bing bringing you the week 2 of the IBL season 1 and you're witnessing Coke versus LGU Pavia and tumira si Aaron wala rebound by number 18 number 18 nga number 18 ang naka-rebound nung bola na yon pero may foul sa kabilang end ng court. Number 11 binigay kay number 44. Sorry, number 14. Number 14 binili kay number 11 Escanyel. Binigay kay number 18 sa ilalim. Wara, power
Easy
move
pass
underneath the
inside.
basket. And Miklat passes to Kiatchon on the fast break pero sobra. Hindi nahabol. Number 14 binigay kay number 13 Guelos. Guelos dumidiskarte. Pinasa kay number 11 sa 3 points. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Battle for the rebound pero natapik ni Jimena. Nakuha ni Guelos ang bola. Binigay kay number 11 sa gilid pero mukhang mali yung pasa doon.
We have a shout out here, guys, kay from Rai to Ivasa. Shout out kay Master Zerudo.
Oh, thank you for watching, Sir Rai. And there's a 3 coming from Miklat, number 55 or Coca-Cola.
I think that's the fourth 3-point shot of Miklat as well in this game.
Oo, 43-57 is the score. Lamang pa rin ang Pavia. Number 18, Jimena, tumira ng patagilid. Wala, na-rebound ni Escanyol sa ilalim pero natapik. And same ball.
Same ball.
Number 5, binigay kay number 14, cutting from the inbound. Wala, battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Jimena. Pero nakuha ni number 77 ang bola for the rebound. Binigay kay Miklat. Miklat crosses and there's a foul.
Miklat in this quarter looks like he's being aggressive, guys.
Oh, he's being aggressive, no? And mukhang hindi niya na sinusolo yung bola. He's trying to dime it or pass it to the teammates, no? Kiachon.
After the first quarter, better na yung pagbalik
Oh,
niya.
3-on-1. Humayaw. Bang. And it's another basket for Pavia. Kiachon. Passes to Aaron. Aaron drive, side steps.
And
the
one.
back. And one. What a power drive there by number 18, Aaron. And there's a foul. Number 16, the bull of LGU Pavia.
Early
And there's a timeout for Coke. And babalikan natin ang aksyon na to after these reminders.
At Filipino Homes, we're here to serve you. At Filipino Homes, we'll make your dream come true. For you, we make it easy. Together on this journey, only the very best for you. At Filipino Homes. Filipino Homes.
Alright. We're back mga ka-items, no? So, Aaron, number 18 of Coca-Cola will take one and he completes the 3-point play. So, 59-46 mga ka-items. So, number 13 inside to number 5. Nice turnaround there. So, 61-46 and it's a steal for LGU Pavia and number 9 takes it again.
Number 5, what a shot. Power layup there by number 5. Kahit dalawang bumantay sa kanya, giba.
Hmm.
Ito na naman ang Pavia, pumapass break number 13, binigay kay number 11. Number 11 with a bank shot, basket, and
Easy basket lang yung si
oo.
LGU Pabia, Kois. Defense is what's triggering their offense right now.
And lamang pa rin ang Pavia sa game na to.
Oy,
Number
nice
13 in a
pass
pass break,
there. Hindi lang na-control.
pero hindi na control yung pasa.
Number 13 ba yun? Of Pabia? No, number 13 wasn't expecting the pass break pass. Miklat now. Ball goes back to LGU Pabia. Number 13. Oh, a
Ay, sayang
turnover.
yung pasa na yon and 3-on-1 situation and there's a foul and
Oh,
basket.
nice. That's where yung basketball IQ is pumapasok sa isang player, Kois, because he was
Oo.
fouled and he knows that merong continuation yan. So he just went up and, just threw it sa hoop.
Oo. And good thing na may lucky bounce, no?
Ay, no counted pala. Ay, it's no
Akos,
count because it's a unsportsman
oh, at
foul.
sportsman foul.
Correct. It's ball counts. I mean, the shot counts actually, pero there, the two free throw was for the unsportsman foul. Oh! And another end one opportunity for Aaron. So we already got an end one opportunity earlier. Will he complete another 3-point play opportunity? That one is short, but he will shoot one more time. So it's a lane violation for LGU Pavia.
Aaron, basket, and a timeout was called by Pavia. Score is 65-51. Still, Pavia is leading the game with 14-point lead. And let's see if makakabawi pa yung Coke dito. But looking at the game Coke is playing dito sa third quarter, mukhang may chance pa, no?
Nakabawi sila, Kois, because they started slow, right? Pero okay yung second quarter nila, and then right now they're having a run. So Miklat earlier scored on an unsportsman foul, and then Aaron gets another and one opportunity. So they were able to get a 5-0 run on that
Oh, okay.
possession.
Yeah.
Sayang yun
And,
kasi it was the unsportsman free throw.
oo,
Miklat
sayang, no?
wasn't able to get both free throws to come in.
Oo. Pero it's a good thing na Coke is trying to, to get back on this game, no? And there's a foul on that possession.
Ang laki ng mama to, yung number 5 si
Oo,
Aranilla, no?
laki, no?
When he got the ball inside, triple team agad.
And ito nga, tumatakbo na naman ang Coke.
4 on
4 on
2 yun.
2.
Ah.
Secondes with that
Ooh!
behind the back dribble.
Inuna pa kasi yung showtime, Kois eh.
Oo. And nung first game, ganun din yung mga ginawa niya, no?
Secondes. So,
It was unnecessary, no?
unnecessary talaga, yes. Hindi naman
And
tayo
Secondes, oh, wow, what a move! By number 18 pero hindi pumasok. Short ang tira.
lang, oo. But that was a good Euro step inside.
Oo, good Euro step. And eto na naman ang Coke. With another possession, number 55, Miklat.
Linsig.
To Lensig. Lensig takes the three. Mukhang kumuha pa ng ano doon, ng sabit, pero hindi
Yes.
umubra.
Oo. Number 18
Ito,
wide
number
open,
18 wide
but
open,
Linsig
wala,
was able
pero-
to get the ball intercepted by Linsig.
Oo, ang kulit talaga nito ni ano no ni number 5 Lensig ng Coca-Cola.
Again.
Kaisyo ang ganda ng
Uy,
pasa sa
nice pass
ilalim
inside. But
pero
short lang.
short lang, wala pa rin. That was two opportunities
Na
na was
miss.
missed by
Oo.
Pavia on
Two
that
putback
possession.
opportunities.
Oo, sayang yon.
Pero nakikita ko parang nag-iiba na yung laro ng Coke
Coke,
in
nag-iiba
this
na yung
third
Coke.
quarter, no?
Nagiging patient na sila, no? Hindi katulad kanina.
And then
They're
aggressive as
forcing,
well sa ano, sa defense.
oo, and they're forcing their shots inside. So, medyo alanganin sila doon sa first quarter na yon. First
Pero
half.
on that opportunity, Miklat also forcing another three there.
Oo,
Ooh,
and
wide open
sabi ni
three.
Escaniel,
This is how you do
wag
it.
mong pilitin. Ganito lang dapat.
This is how
Soft
you do
lang.
it.
Smooth lang tayo. And number 28 to number 5, Lensig. Binigay kay number 55 sa gilid.
Linsig na
To
naman.
bribe.
And another turnover.
And another turnover by Miklat. Number 15. Passes to number 18. Number 18 to number 42. Number 42, tumira.
Ooh.
Basket. And hindi tinawagan ng foul doon, no? Pero despite of that, basket pa rin yung tawag ng referee doon kay number 42. Miklat drives, passes to number 42 sa ilalim.
Yes.
Pasok. And score is 68 or
70-53.
70-53 in favor of LGU Pavia with 4 minutes
Yun yung
16
kailangan
seconds.
gawin ni Miklat, Kois, no? He needs to make sure na involve yung teammates niya.
Oo. And another 3. Itong mamang to kanina pa sa 3 points tumatambay. Halianes with that 3 again.
So it's now a 20-point lead for LGU
Oo,
Pavia.
20-point lead for Pavia.
So a much better performance for them, no? Compared
Another
sa first
3 na
game
naman.
nila. And I think Miklat really needs to, reconsider his options.
Oh, correct. He needs to reconsider his options, no? He needs to take it to the basket
Ayan,
and
pinalabas na siya ng coach niya.
hindi pilitin sa labas, no?
Again, he needs to keep his teammates involved. Kanina, when the third quarter started, he was involving everyone. And maganda yung movement.
Maganda yung ikot ng bola.
Mm.
And a block there by number 42. Pero yung tira na yun ng Pavia, hindi pa rin pumapasok. Ito ngayon ang Coke tumatakbo. Lensig, binigay kay number
Ooh,
42
a
pero
steal by
na-steal ni number 5. Number 5, running down the court Kaisyo to number
Nice
10
pass
sa
inside.
ilalim.
Nagilan
Wala.
na control ni Gumapal.
Number 18.
Uy.
What a head fake pero short pa rin.
Parang
And,
lifting nga yung course pero di lang
oo.
tinawagan.
And Lensig with a 3, wala. Number 42, rebound. Binigay kay Lensig pero na-steal pa rin.
2-on-1.
Eto nga,
Uy, nabitawan pa yung ano. Grabe yung depensa ng referee natin doon,
oh,
course.
screen. Ang ganda ng screen doon, ha?
Grabe yun. Rep, ano ka ba? Parang sa Coke ata to eh.
Ang ganda ng screen doon, ha?
Offensive rebound by number 17 but a block by number 18.
Number 18, eto na naman, 3 on 2. Number 30, tumira ng jump shot. Wala na rebound.
And
Ni
Gumapal
Gumapal, pero
wasn't able to control the ball.
he wasn't able to control the ball.
Alright, Linsig there. Almost a turnover for Coke.
Lensig,
Linsig
tumira na naman
forces
ng
a
tres.
three.
Wala.
Short.
And mukhang hindi gumagana yung mga 3-point magic dito ni Lensig sa game na to when were in fact nung first quarter, nung first game.
Hindi kasi siya nakakuha ng open shots, course, and is now forcing it. Number 23 inside.
Ooh, basket
nice.
by number 23.
Nice move. So it's an 18-point lead for LGU Pavia with 1.5 left in the third quarter, mga ka-Hisense. And there's a foul inside. I think that's coming from number 12. Yes, number 12 of Coca-Cola. So 2 points, two free throws for number 18. Short on the free throw. Will get another chance.
Basket
Converts the
for the
second
second
one.
shot. Tarosa coming in for Lensig.
Almost a turnover for Coke again. Tarosa drives, gives it to number 12, forces it, short, rebound by number 18, gives it to number 5, Aranilla, to Gumapal, to number 30, back to Aranilla, LGU Pavia not able to convert on that pass break. So ball goes back to Coca-Cola with 51 seconds left in the third quarter.
51.45 seconds. Number
Ooh,
23, what a putback.
ano yun, loose ball
A
yun,
loose
Kois,
ball.
eh. Pumunta sa kanya. And he had the basketball IQ to just put it up.
35 seconds remaining. Number 18, binigay kay number 10. Number 10, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pero nakuha. Oh!
Ooh, delikado yun. Pero ano naman, hindi naman
Number
sinasadya.
5, power it down sa gitna and the basket.
16 seconds left.
15 seconds left in the
Will
ball
Coke
game.
take the
Number
last shot
77
here?
drives.
No good.
Tinayuan lang.
Seven.
Depensa ng dalawang tower ng Pavia. Tarosa with a 3. Basket by Tarosa. 3 seconds remaining. And that's the end of the third quarter. 76-57 is the score. And lamang ng 16 points ang Pavia dito. 76-60 is the official score. And we'll be back in this fourth quarter. Link sang. Back. Oh, we are back, Migunins, in this fourth quarter. And 16-point lead nga ang kalamangan ng Pavia dito. And Coke needs to really step up in their game when it comes to their offense, no? si Halianes. Mukhang lima na ata, Amigo Nins, no? Five 3 points already for Halianes. And here's another fast break for LGU Pavia. Trabuco to number 18, 16 pero na steal. Miklat crosses, spins, and there's a foul for from number 4. And pupunta sa free throw si number 55, Miklat of Coca-Cola. And miss yung unang free throw na yon. Oh, and another shot and basket. One of two for the free throw. And ito nga, Pavia, Coke is Coke is doing is pressing already, no? There's a foul. Shout out to Avuel de la Cruz. Let's go, Kerlon. And shout out to you, brother. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday.
Belated. Belated
Belated happy
happy
birthday,
birthday.
Mr. Avuel de la Cruz of Kerlon Global Solution Team. Eto nga, 3 on 1. LGO Pavia, pinasa kay number 22, Barido with a layup. Wala. Trabuco, again, basket. And laging namimiss yung first opportunity ng pass break dito, no?
Mhm.
Aaron with that 3. Wala. Rebound by number 22, Barido. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Aaron. Aaron drives. Wala pa rin. And last touch by Secondes.
So official score is 81-61.
81-61, 20-point lead for LGU Pavia. Barido passes to Escaniel, passes to number 8, number 16, the Bull. Spins. Pero binabantayan ni Aaron and there's a traveling. Ang ganda ng depensa na doon na yun ni Aaron of Coca-Cola sa kay number 16, Abby, the Bull Escaniel. Molina passes to Secondes. Secondes is playing point for Coke in this fourth, no? Molina passes to Aaron, goes back to Molina, tumira ng 3. Tinikling shot, wala. And here comes a pass break for Pavia and Escaniel bring it down pero wala pa rin. Rebound by Trabuco and there's a foul by number 12 of Coca-Cola. And Trabuco will take 2 shots in the free throw line. Nakalak, nakalak ka, nakalak ka ang screen mo. Huh? Gatindog? Gatindog ka? Araw?
Landscape dapat. Yang rotation i-unlock lang. Isang party daan.
Gani oh, hindi kasi magpati. Ah. My God, my God. Number 18, binigay kay number 28. Secondes, sinungkit sa likod ang bola ni number 13. Ito nga, 4 on 2. Dinire-diretso ni number 13 and there's a foul
There's a
committed by
foul.
number 12.
82-65 is
And
the
score is 82-65 in favor pa rin of Pavia. And Guelos will go to the free throw line. Rebound by Pavia, by Escaniel. Binigay kay Barido. Barido, binigay kay number 13, Guelos. Low post to Abby Escaniel at the underneath, and there's a basket by the Bull. What a low post. And what a pass by number 13. Miklat passes to Molina pero nasungkit and na-interrupt. Number 15 to number 22. Number 22. Binigay kay number 13 sa ilalim and a reverse. And mukhang nawawalan na ng gana ang Cook dito, no? Pero hindi pa rin, alam ko hindi pa rin sila susuko dito sa fourth quarter na to. Mahaba pang oras natin mga ka-ISEMs, and 87-65 ang score in favor of Pavia, and we'll be back after this timeout. Pre, Channel 1, Channel 1. Ano na?
Alright, and welcome back mga ka-ISMs. No? So you see there, the players, the crowds, the officials. So again, if you want to watch live, just come over here sa Pavia Gym. Okay? So medyo misleading ang among nga broadcast kay the crowd are sitting here. There is among nga side.
And pass break again by Coke na steal ni Aaron. Miklat, another three. Wala. Rebound. Battle for the rebound. Aaron with a big rebound and a big putback by number 18 of Coca-Cola. 87-67 ang score. 20-point lead. 20-point lead in favor of Pabia. Talabong. Binigay kay number 11 Escaniel. Tumira ng tres. Bang! Another tres. And 3 points for Pavia.
Looks like Escaniel is getting up to be the
Oo.
player of the game here. Kois, for LGU Pavia, no?
I agree, no? And mukhang titira ng tatlong free throw itong si Ino Miklat ng Coke because of that foul there. 68-90 with 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the ball game. And basket,
Perfect yung
perfect.
tatlo.
3 points. Number 15 to number 3. To number 15 again. Binigay kay number 18. Number 18 sets the play for Pavia. Binabantiyan ni Quechon to Halianes. Halianes takes the 3 again. Bang! Another 3 by Halianes. Nakaka-anim na tong mamang to, Migo Nins.
Grabe yung ginagawa niya ngayon, Kois.
Oo, and that's 18 points in the 3 points.
Alone.
3-point line, alone. Aaron with a big drive, no good. And Pavia passes to number 11 on a fast break. Binabantiyan ni number 15, number 15. Number 11, tumira, wala. Nakuha ulit ni number 11, number 11. Binigay kay number 18. Sabi ni number 18, set tayo, set. Kalma lang.
LGU Pavia will try to eat some clock here now.
And number 18 with a jump shot, wala. Battle for the rebound there, nakuha ng Coke. Ito ngayon, 3-on-2 situation. Binigay
Nice
kay
pass
Quechon,
right
nice
there
pass.
by Miklat.
Oo. Nice
To
pass
number
yun,
3.
no? Eto, Halianes, ginugulo ni Quechon. Binigay kay Talabong. Talabong to number
And that's a
Number
turnover
18.
for LGU Pavia. Another good pass by Miklat.
Oh, another good pass, and there's a foul in that drive. Number 3, pass break against number 18. Fake pass. And wala. Nakuha ni number 18 ng Coke Aaron. Binigay kay Miklat. Ito nga, 4 on 3 situation. Miklat drives.
Mukhang ititira talaga
Step
to,
back.
Kois.
And wala pa rin. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit ganun yung ginawa niyang play doon. Pero
Mm,
pwede niya namang ipasa. Pero he chooses to take the
the
shot, no?
shot. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba, nagdi-dribble pa lang, sabi ko na mukhang ititira talaga and
Oo.
yun talaga yung nangyari.
Number 14 to number 15, Halianes. To number 5, sa gitna, Halanes tumira na naman ng tres. Bang! Another 3 for Halanes. And nakakailan na tong mamang to kanina pa. And they're being bombarded by 3 points from
Yes.
only just one man.
And I
And
think that's also a factor sa depensa ng Coca-Cola, no? Kasi ilang ilang 3 points na yung ginawa and then no one is still coming up to,
oo,
to guard him.
challenging, no? Challenging the shot.
Na-challenge, na-challenge siya. So, a wide open pass break here for LGU, Pavia.
Ba yan? Nalilate ka.
So, I think it's also a factor sa coach. Kung hindi mo ma-identify yung mga kalaban mo kung sino yung gumagawa.
Agree, oo. Dapat kanina pa tinao
Yes.
yun, no?
Ayan. Oh, miklat na naman, oh.
Another 3.
Pero ito talaga yung laro ng basketball ko is because no matter how good you are individually, if you cannot bring your team with you, wala pa rin eh.
The team always matters eh.
Yes.
Kasi you cannot win as one lang eh. Kasi ang basketball, it's a team sport, no?
Yes.
It's not a one-on-one sport. So kailangan lahat involved. Number 5,
So,
1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. Number 5, inuubos na lang ang oras dito. Talabong passes to number 14, drives with a sidestep, pasok. And a timeout called by Coca-Cola. And score is 175. 25 points ang kalamangan ng Pavia dito sa game na to with 1 minute and 34 seconds left, and we'll be back after this.
right, and we are
And
back.
we are back.
Hello.
Quiz Big, Hugo Nins.
So again,
And
guys, if you want to watch live, make your way here sa Pavia Gym. Right, again, it's free. This is just the first game. We will have our second game with Pancon and Kerlon later on. So there. If,
and the score is 175. Lamang po ang Pavia ng 25 points. Let's see. Mukhang malabo na, no? Para sa akin, Migo Nins, malabo na makahabol dito ang Coca-Cola sa game na to. And there's a 2 points for number 3. And Pavia is just wanna taking the time from the clock here until matapos tong game na to, no? Number 5 to number 3. Number 3 drives, passes to number 5 again. And what a shot! And what a pass!
so I think this is the first game, Kois, na a team was able to reach 100
Oh,
points. No?
100 points.
So it's
Kiachon takes the
102-77.
shot. 3 points for Kiachon. Number 3. And mukhang uubusin na lang ng Coke dito ang oras, ng Pavia ang oras, no?
It's a 22-point lead with
22
45
point lead,
seconds
oo.
left to go.
And 35 seconds remaining. 102-80 ang score. 22-point lead. Trabuco binigay kay number 5. Binalik kay number 14. Tumira ng tres. And basket, another 3 for Pavia. 105-80 ang score. And Tarosa tumira ng tres, wala. 10 seconds remaining dito sa fourth quarter. And
And that's about it.
that's about it.
Yes.
That wraps up the first game of this week 2, Coke versus Pavia, and Pavia wins the game 105-80. And
So, grabe ang bawi ni Pabia Kois, no?
oo,
Coming
grabe.
from the
The
loss
loss
from the previous
from
game.
the previous
Yes.
game, and talagang bumawi sila ngayong week na to, no? Week 2. And let's see if makakabawi rin yung sa second game natin, Kerlon versus Bancon, dalawang team na natalo nung nakaraang week,
Oo.
no?
So, one of those teams will get their first win sa season na to.
Oo. And let's see what will happen. And we will be back, mga ka-ISMs, on the second game, Kerlon versus Bancon.